So before we start, bro, let's talk about what we are gonna exactly backtest. So let's clarify that before. So no trades outside of red folder days, basically. Mm-hmm. I yeah, I agree. I agree. Let's do 50. Let's test that. I want to see the results on 50. So that's the first partial. That's strict partial. So anytime if we get a draw on liquidity more than 50 points, we'll be taking half off at 50 points, regardless of the draw on liquidity. If the draw on liquidity is less than 50, we don't have to be worried about partials. For sure, yeah. Okay. And one more thing, we are not going to be concerned about any higher time frame price move. It's going to be on the 1 minute precisely, like solely on 1 minute. Sure. So essentially we're targeting 4 hours for the first partials minimum. 12.5 to 50. For sure. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep, yep. You can delete it. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and put it in the chat. You can delete it though. This is okay, 2022. Cool. Yeah. Is this I think the Forex factory times are off. I think it's in your local time. There, above. It says it's Eastern time. Okay, that's fine too, yeah. Jot it down. Can I give an input in on this as well? So I'm seeing, so the last low was, it failed to below, yeah, so it failed to break below the short-term sell side, and it's accumulating right now below a SIBI. So this price action could potentially form a trap there if it gets inverted, is what I'm thinking. It's not there yet, but I can see it inverting the fair value gap and wrong for the equal highs. Because it seems like this is range equilibrium also, if you zoom out a little bit. So more or less. From the I would take it from the low though, personally. I would take it from all the way down the low. Yeah, somewhere there. Yeah. So any inversion, like any formation of that trap, I think that's when I would look for a long potentially. Right now it looks 50-50. Yeah. I remember there's no news. There's an SMT now. OB retest. Uh, yeah, I agree. I'm curious though if it. So I think this is gonna run the equal highs. Can you just like yeah go further a little bit to see what happened afterwards? Should take the highs. There you go. It came after hour. It came after hours though, so it's probably earnings and revenue or something. Oh, and also, yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I think that's July 4th, so 4th of July. It's a holiday. Yeah. But the price action is there though. Like, I don't think it was tradable, but it was there. SMT divergence in deep discount, equal highs. There's a trap. The bullish order flow is being respected. I think Forex Factory doesn't show holidays, does it? Yeah. That's what I'm looking for as well. I'm not seeing though. Maybe prior, maybe a little earlier. No. Oh, that's an SMT. Yeah, I think that's an SMT. I would I would say if this comes down to discount from S&T to the range high, that might be a long. Depends on the reaction though. So all those breakaway gaps could be actually a trade. This is this is Thursday, right? Okay. Thursday, July 7, no news. Okay. Yes, sir. S&T at highs. A run. What an ugly price. Yes, sir. NFP Friday, let's go. You know what? You know what I'll say? By looking at it for a second, I can tell that this is gonna tag the NFP highs right away. Just saw it well for 1 second, then I can see that happening already. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see that. So there's the SMT. I think that's a buy, but never mind. Let's not break the strategy. So it's coming back down to range EQ right now, I guess. Yep, and forming a trap potentially. If it inverts that fair value gap, I would long it. No, yeah, it didn't break the fair value gap. Okay, that's when I would long this. And there is also an SMT at the lows as well. I'm not sure about that stop loss though. And the problem is, I was thinking it might wick there because there is an order block. All right, that's a fair point. Okay. Oh, this was an easy that this was an easy as fuck trade, like for real. Yeah, you can switch to micros if the stop loss is too large. What I've noticed is, so what I've noticed with traps is it usually comes down to the inverted fair value gap all the time when it forms a trap. That's what I've noticed. I think about traps, it's the highest probability entry. Huh? Today, that's true. It tend to do it though. For this price action, for this price action, yes, I would say it is. But for that backtesting price action, I would say no because it is a too large stop loss, at least for my liking. So I would either trade micros and execute just like you, or I would patiently wait for and hope for that inversion pair value gap retest. But overall, yeah, that's my favorite though. Yeah, yeah. I'll check it for you. There's no news on Monday. There's no news on Tuesday. There's a red folder CPI on Wednesday, so skip the Wednesday. I don't think it's even gonna come up there. I think it's gonna be a sell-off like almost immediately. Yeah, there you go. Let's see. Oh, it traded there. Let's see. And there's I would say I would say two things about this. First of all, there is a potential three drive on the 1 minute on Nasdaq, and it could, if it inverts the fair value gap, I think it's forming another trap. Yeah, me neither. It's pretty well, yeah. On the CPI day, it's pretty normal. Honestly, I would definitely take the that low, yeah, for sure. Yeah, I think CPI days. I mean, it's because it's CPI day. But obviously you can partial it. Like at 50 points, I think you should take half off. That's the rule. Oh, it stopped? Okay. Let's see what happens. I think any displacements one more time, it would be a trade. Hold on, 1 second. Let's see if there was like long signal or whatever. I want to see like an SMT divergence or something. Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Gotcha. There's also trap below the SMT. Mm-hmm. That's exactly why I said let's take a look at if there was any longs or whatever. But yeah, no, no, no. You can go for the next thing. There's PPI on Thursday, and yeah, that's PPI. Yep. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Maybe CPI low looks like a juicy target. There's a trap though. I don't like that. Short trap. I don't like that one. So right now it's testing that BPR. If it displaces higher, I would look for longs or let it go. Hmm. I think this will be a short, honestly. That IFPD. Is it worth it? Yeah, it's a low probability. I mean, your stop loss would be too large though. That's the only thing I'm concerned about. Okay. Oh, you gotta buy. That kind that kind of worked though. Just close it all. It was just $1 profit anyways. For me, the highest entry would be that BPR you annotated earlier. That's what I was gonna say. I think if you want to short it in that fair value gap where you short it, the stop loss should be above that BPR. Hmm. And a three drive. Yep, I would say so. Got filled. It became choppy. We did not see there was a S&T bullish S&T divergence. That's what we disregarded. There's another problem. Another problem is it kind of formed a trap as well. I think that is 5 minute on the five. Yeah, there. Um, there's a trap there, and then it comes down into after breaking the inversion parallel gap, comes down into the inversion parallel gap CE and Riley after. There, yeah, yeah, yeah. So Friday there is red folder at 8:30, and there's red folder at 10 o'clock. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It seems like this is gonna respect and rally higher, honestly. Let's see. If it forms an S&T, it could. It could. Yeah. I just would favor an S&T divergence at some point before longing, though, personally. Because there's no S&T at the highs, at the lows, or whatever. Oh, 10 o'clock, just send it. I still think this requires an S&T divergence. I would say, like, at some point, this will do an S&T divergence, and that will be turtle soup. What? 55 points? Okay, here's what you should do. Do this for this session. It's 10 o'clock, right? So on the 1 minute, if it creates an SMT divergence, turtle soup that grade. Let's see how that works for this session specifically. That's too large. Okay, go for it. So yeah, I think this is going to be a turtle soup, and this is going to be the sniper entry. Just because the go for it. Um, I think. Hold on. It was 1K up. You were 1K up. Maybe, maybe. No, that's ugly. That's so ugly. Which day is it? Monday. Let's see what it is. Monday. Which day is it? 18? No news. On Tuesday, there's no red folder. On Wednesday, no red folder. Thursday, no red folder. It's just on Friday, 9:45. Just, just pass it to Friday. Friday. Okay, yeah. So before you jump onto this Friday's price action, well, let me just tell you something about the previous day that we long got stopped. The reason I said wait for the SMT there is because of one factor, and that is, so I looked at the price action, I looked at before New York Open, after New York Open, and there was no SMT divergence whatsoever. So that makes me thinking like, okay, if there's no SMT divergence before open, after open, then this has potential to manipulate one more time, right? And that's when you don't want to trade because that manipulation will definitely stop you out, you know? That was the thought process. Friday 22. The what? The news, 9:45. It's gonna hit in 10. There's a clean S&T divergence. That is probably like a 15 minutes S&T or something, or maybe hourly. Definitely a long day though. Okay, that's the news. I think that fair value gap is gonna be the silver bullet, the one we are in right now. That one. Yeah. If it respects till 10 o'clock, I think it has a potential. Nah. Yep. Oh, there's an SMT now on the higher time frame, I think. So it's trading into the breaker. The questions, the sell side ES was taken. Is it the same sell side on Nasdaq that you marked, or is? Oh, okay. Okay, gotcha, gotcha. Gotcha. So easy. You're right about that, but the thing about backtesting is you can't approach. So the idea of backtesting is essentially gaining confidence and training your eyes towards your model. Obviously, in live trading, you would take the higher time frame into consideration, and also you don't have the privilege to stop the price and think about it or whatever. You got to have like a quick thinking and fast thought process and stuff like that. But it really is helpful for, like I said, training the eye or discovering new things maybe, or getting confident with your model for whatever it is, you know. As an SMT there. I mean, I think if this is gonna send it higher at this point because it's failing to go down right now, it should be the buy side all the way to up. The goal is to build confidence. I think the higher time frame is necessary, or else if it's bad in trading. Uh, I agree with you to a cert to an extent. Um, I don't believe it's a pattern trading, but I do believe that you need to incorporate higher time frame analysis as well. I'm on the same page with you on that. Um, but the thing is, like, we are also day trading. Like with prop firms, you can't have like stop loss below or above for hourly candle high or low, right? And also because time is fractal, you can actually get the higher time frame analysis by looking at the 1 minute but zoomed out, if that makes sense. Because sometimes you'll see SMT divergences, but if it's not close proximity on the 1 minute, that means the SMT is on the 5 minute or on the 15 minute or on the 1 hourly, whatever, whichever time that it's occurring, for example, if that makes sense. You can do it. It's more for scalping though. So if you want to become a day trader, like hold the positions the whole day and stuff, obviously you need to look at you need to have multi time frame analysis for sure. So you're on 26. Okay. 10 o'clock, red folder. So that's yeah, that's the news. As browser based, yes. This one is FOMC day, so you should either not trade or go for the afternoon session. Yeah, so at 2 o'clock there is going to be FOMC. Yep. So easy. Personally, this is the way I do it because I believe in the importance of higher time frame analysis. And I think you know that already. I think we had a discussion with you about this. So if I have a higher time frame bias, and if intraday market goes in that direction, I'll take a position, right? If it doesn't go in that direction, I'll either be flat because I'm not going to trust that position, right? Or another thing, which is majority of people is what they're doing is they take that position, but with less risk, for example, in the opposite direction of the higher time frame bias. But anyways, I just want to drop that real quick before we look at this ugly FMC. Oh, you skipped the FMC? Okay. patience. So Thursday there's 8:30 and yeah, that's just 8:30 GDP. This looks like it's gonna be a trending day. It's bullish S&T right now. Personally, I wouldn't long it, but if you're looking for longs, there's an S&T. Oh, okay. If it's a scalp, yeah. I think range EQ of that seems like that it might fail here also because today's a Friday. Yeah. The Friday's 8:30 red folder. Yeah, PCE. Yeah. I want to see an S&T divergence though before going long. Mm. No. It wasn't used, but orange folder, medium impact. Go for it. Personally, I wouldn't long it. That's my personal opinion. Not that big, not that I'm short bias or whatever, but I don't like the equal lows. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Ugly. Yeah, I think so too, because the last time I checked, you were up $1,000, and then I saw it was down something 200 or something like that. Yeah, for sure. Kila, when's your birthday, bro? Kila whale. Kila, I think you're trying to speak, but I don't hear you. It's beeping. Do you guys hear beeping? Mic issue, yeah. When's your birthday, bro? No, Kila, Kila. No, just tell me your birthday month. November. Okay, let's go for November. Let's do 1983. Oh my God, bro, I knew you were gonna say that. Let's do the same year, 2022. I'll pull I'll pull out the Forex Factory again. Kill. Let's do 83, bro. We need papers for that. We need pink sheets. Probably, probably. Yeah. Hello, mate. How you doing, bud? I'm good, mate. Yeah, probably it was beeping earlier today. You have a thick British accent now, bro. The last time I talked to you, you didn't have that accent. What's going on? Too much housework or what? Uh-huh, okay. I mean, as long as you don't speak in Glasgowian accent, I wouldn't have a problem. Yeah, I mean, it sounds like it sounds literally like gibberish. Like I don't have problem with Scottish, but Glasgowian is totally another different world. So Nazmi, this is November 1st. There is 10 a.m. Red folder. It really does. But it's in discount though. That's dangerous. I personally I wouldn't trust this because it's in deep discount. I would expect the upper fair value gap, honestly, which should be breakaway gap, but wait, is this the lower sell side target or the upper sell side target? Because you annotated two, right? It's the lower one. Okay. It looks like it's gonna be a trending day though. So like any S&T divergence like here in this fair value gap, I think that would be another short, late short or something. I would say. Mm-hmm. Three. Yeah. 8:15, then 2 o'clock FOMC. Yeah. Correct. It is. Wow, for an FOMC day, it's actually trending. Interesting. Oh my God. Yep. Trap. Can it be a trap? Let me see. Hold on. Um, personally, I would wait a little more before making a decision. What is the time? 2:34. I would wait until 3 o'clock or something. And take off. Now, I think we don't need a gun to our heads. We know what's gonna happen. So that's what I was thinking, because FOMCs are usually like initial moves, they're the manipulation. So what happens is they release a statement at 2 o'clock, then at 2:30, Chair Powell starts speaking. Until he doesn't, he shut up. He shuts up. The price becomes choppy. I think that fair value gap is a higher probability fair value gap, but yeah, I think this is gonna go for FOMC low. Honestly, I'm recording this, TJ. Don't worry about it. I'm recording and I'll be uploading it today. Could be possible. The problem is it's respecting the fair. There's a fair value gap and breaker, and it's respecting both. And if this FMC is like manipulation, I think it wants to low, in my opinion. But we'll see. There's nothing for me to execute on it anyways. But fair value gap, I'll be send it. It happens. It happens. So this is okay. So that's the typical FOMC price action, by the way. This is usually like 90% of the time what happens. Rallies first, upside to the downside, whatever. Then inverts it all, fades it. Obviously, it's not like a always. Um, of course. So this is when third, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock PMI, red folder. So that's the 10 o'clock. trades yet, in my opinion. Yep. It formed an SMT at the downside, by the way, just before your entry. Not there, but right above. Yeah, there with those candles. So it basically turtle soup that low. Which is original consolidation. I think either ES or Nasdaq should target that right now at this point because the order flow in the 1 minute changed, turned bullish. That's just my opinion, though. Okay, so ES tagged it. I think this is where you should put your stop at break even because ES took the high. Yep, that's a target for sure. Depends on how it raids the short-term high. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. This is for 8:30 news. This is NFP. Yeah. Could be. Too early to tell, though, in my opinion. How is that an SMT? Because I don't see the swing. There's no SMT right now, TJ. Definitely stronger. It looks like a short trap. Yeah. I think it should manipulate one more time, and that should be a long. Oh, the winning trade before this one. Oh shit. I don't know. We gotta go back for that. TJ's asking the S&T the day before on on Thursday. He's asking that one. Yeah. Okay, you zoom in there, Nazmi, a little bit. Zoom into the SMT. So that's a swing low, and the other lower low, is also another swing low. And the other wicks, they don't even matter. Just pull up the picture I sent you in the DMs, TJ, and compare that to this, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Mm. So Monday, no news. Um, Tuesday elect Tuesday's election. That's an election day. I have never traded ICT on an election day. I don't know how it works. I think it should pump. It should dump like on election days and pump afterwards. That's like fundamentally how it works. What happened? 7th of November. Maybe election days. Day was banned or something from Forex replay. I don't know. That's should work. That's an election day, yes. There's no news, it's just election the whole day, I believe. Yeah. This is where you grab your beer, get like potato chips and in and out and watch the TV and see what the fuck is going on. That's so funny. No, this is 2021, I think. No, 2020. So he lost, unfortunately. Or fortunately, I don't know. I'm not political. He lost. He lost it. Wednesday, no news yet. Um, the Wednesday. That's an interesting rejection, actually. Could be something, not something right now, but it could be. Yeah. Right now, it's the kind. It looks like it's forming a SMT. Yeah, there's one there, but I mean, that couldn't send the price. I wouldn't touch it personally. Yeah, I am not interested in this one. That's a good trap though. That is, my friend, CPI. This is gonna be a long day for sure. I can see that. Just a continuation. Yeah, this is where you buy, wake up and buy. Like any kind of sell side rate, you buy it. It's 10 o'clock. Do it, but where's gonna be your stop loss though? Okay, try. Because it's a CPI day, though, I would favor this to have a continuation on the day, on this day specifically. Could be a slow grind though. That's the part I don't know, honestly. Nah, I would say wait a little bit though. Okay. So this is coming down to range. Can you look at the dealing range from SM2 low and the high, and let's see what happens afterwards? There you go. That's a generous delivery. Wow. That's a big one. Yeah. And that's SMT at range EQ also. This is like the best kind of setup because like sometimes you miss the expansions, and if you miss the expansions, this is literally what you need to wait for. If it doesn't give you this, just let it go, you know? That's the hardest part. You can't let it go. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's good to look at this price action right now because we have a CPI tomorrow. Yep. There's 10 a.m. Yeah. Consumer sentiment. Yeah. Zoom out a little bit. Maybe it'll look obvious. Um, there's like relative equal highs, maybe those highs, or oh, yeah. So the rejection block got tested after S&T. I mean, for me, yes, it doesn't look good, but the rejection block being respected, and I would expect price coming down and respect that level as well. So for me, this is like, okay, the wick is kind of suspicious, and it could trade down to the CE of the wick, but should it really? Uh, I say no. If it does it, so it's choppy, and more manipulative for me. Okay. I would say put your stop. Oh, never mind. Too late. I was gonna say put your stop below the rejection block. You see, it came down for the rejection block again and rallied from there. Well, the read was there. That's what matters. So Monday, no news. Tuesday, 8:30. I think this is gonna turtle soup the lows on ES. So once ES takes out the low, I would say Nasdaq could potentially rally. Yeah, that's a long for me. Boom, I would have get stopped. So turtle soup one low on ES. I think this should rally, really. Oh, you got filled. Interesting. Ah. It's going down there, but it's yeah, it's like well down there, but it's slow, such a slow grind. What's interesting is though, before the dump, it actually formed a trap and retested that inversion fair value gap. Not that one. No, no, no. Go further after you're short to the other side. No, no, no. To the other side. Go more. The other way. Towards like 11 or 12 o'clock. 11:30. Yeah. So once that fair value gap got inverted, the big one, it came up there. Probably like came up to its CE or something after the inversion, and never inverted the CE, never violated the CE, and it dumped afterwards. Yeah. What is that? 20? No, 16. Yeah, 8:30. That high actually made another S&T. I don't like it. I don't like that short. Because if you look at ES is literally seek and destroy right now. I think this needs to show more PA. Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah, that's interesting. Is it a cultural thing or just I wouldn't. Is it like a superstition or something? What language is it playing? French. I still don't know what it is. Maybe. Hmm. I see. I see. I see. I see. I'm so close to there, bro. Don't say that. Looks like trap, yeah. That was clean. Yeah, I mean, if I can spot the trap, that fair value gap is a high probability fair value gap to me because it just formed the trap. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Printing live, yep, yep. For sure. Wait, which day is it? 23rd? Oh, it's definitely not. You should try the live trade. In the first place, yeah, you get used to it though. Right now, I'm actually having fun and stuff. Man, this didn't even offer anything. Maybe the pullback could be a potential trade. Oh no. No. Oh, it's just 9:47. Okay. Wait, is it Wednesday? Okay, Wednesday there's FMC, there's 9:45. FMC minutes, not the actual FMC. I think what I would do is I would watch the range EQ from all the way to the low to high and try to see if it wants to continue or not. So yeah, right about there. Maybe because there's no SMT divergence just yet. So it might want to just turtle soup the most recent low and rally for a continuation. There is like over there, yes, on another time frame, but on the 1 minute it doesn't. It's not present yet. So if it wants to be a continuation, I think it needs to manipulate one more time and it trend the whole day. I would disregard that personally. Yeah, yeah, no, I would. This is where I would close my chart. Maybe I would wait a pullback personally. Yeah. Yeah. You go back. I'm actually curious to what it did. Oh my God. What the fuck? Yeah. For me, the clean entry is literally the not at the high, but the CE of that whole range. There is IFUD. Yeah. Take that and target the short-term low as a partial and leave one to all the way to the down. Because at that point, like to me, what this means is if it breaks down below the range equilibrium just like that, it is not a pullback. It is a reversal, and the market is looking for sell side. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, pretty same. It's FOMC minutes, yeah. Yeah, it's normally not that volatile. So Thursday, Friday, there's nothing, and then on Monday, there's nothing. Tuesday, 10 o'clock. I have no idea. It says Tuesday, 10 o'clock, Red Folder News. I think I would wait for this. Okay, so I would wait for yes, inverting the fair value gap because now it's trapped. So I think, yeah, so I think it has a potential to run on some buy side liquidity. Yep, could be, but the thing is, I can see the equal highs getting tagged here before running the sell side. On the yes, yeah, at least those highs or further. Alrighty. So it formed an S&T. Like even further, like if you zoom out a little bit, you can see even there's that's probably like 5 minutes or 15-minute origin consolidation. And I would personally break even my position here at this point, because there's an SMT. That was a good break even. I mean, for me, Nasdaq was not the good pair. I think I would have rather wanted to trade ES. That's why I was looking at ES there. Because ES looks cleaner, at least on this day specifically, because it has a trap, whereas Nasdaq actually doesn't have a trap, and it's the stronger pair. I know, but you know, market actually likes to manipulate like this. At very like if you look at Nasdaq today or this week, we had that high, right? Um, I don't remember the level, but like the high from the ORB on the hourly. Oh yeah, that one, sell side high. No, no, you marked it already. Like it says sell side one. Like it came very close a couple days ago and never rallied until today or yesterday. I don't remember the exact. Eventually it did, but hold on a second, I'll tell you. Was it a 4 hourly? I don't remember. Oh yeah, yeah, it's the 4 hourly high. Well, it took that today. Yeah, it probably is. Kind of like equal highs. I said kind of like equal highs. Yeah. Let me see. Hold on. There's on Wednesday GDP, and that's it. GDP at 8:30, and then 10 o'clock news, and then 1:30 Fed Chair Powell speaks. That's a long gap. I mean, the reward is not there though, but it's a long. Wow, interesting. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's also the last day of the month, so there's monthly close. It was fun. Yes, sir. Hmm. Hmm. Uh-huh. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, that's really like that's the most important thing. Like especially um like you can have a very low win rate, but you can still be profitable with a proper risk management. You know. Yep. Exactly, exactly. That's exactly my point, and a lot of people needs to understand that. That is a very powerful um, thing when it comes to day trading. That's how you preserve your capital. Yep. Hmm. Hmm. Yep. Yep. All right, man. It was fun. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Yep. Have a wonderful day. Good evening, Kilo. You'll be at work. You'll be working a lot lately, mate. One days and Wednesday. Okay. Then. Yeah. Would they be mad about it? They would think you're. They would probably think you're a millionaire or something. But hey, man, you might be missing Wednesdays, but guess what? You have Thursdays, man. Yep. So try to show up on Thursdays and let's get it, you know? I undertrade.